Let's transform your passion for fashion into a thriving online clothing store using Wix, and say goodbye to those overflowing closets. First, head over to Wix.com and sign up for an account. Once you're in, click Create New Site and choose Online Store as the type of website you want to build. Wix will then ask you if you want Wix API to automatically create the website for you or if you want to choose a template. Select Choose a template for more control over your design. Browse through the stunning e-commerce templates specifically designed for clothing stores and pick one that best matches your brand's aesthetic. Now, it's time to customize your chosen template. Click on any element to edit text, change colors, and upload your own high-quality images of your clothing. Next, go to the store section and start adding your products. Include clear descriptions, sizes, materials, and compelling photos for each item. Set up your payment gateways by connecting secure options like PayPal or Wix Payments to ensure smooth transactions for your customers. Configure your shipping settings, defining rates and delivery zones to accurately reflect the cost of getting your fabulous clothes to your customers. Optimize your site for mobile devices. Wix makes it easy to ensure your store looks great on any screen size, reaching even more potential buyers. Finally, preview your website, double-check all the details, and hit publish. Congratulations! You're now ready to share your clothing creations with the world.